or something, or? They're gonna have to do something about that eventually.
No way! And when it backed up, we got to all three apartments over there were in the garage, particularly the end one, and it wouldn't go down. And then we called the gators to come to this with some big cable thing, and they were up there for almost a day and a half trying to get it to break, and then they got it to break through. And the only reason why we didn't like it is we charged Justin like $1,000. He was like, oh fuck this stuff.
But he was there all day though.
They were here busting their balls and trying to get it free.
We're gonna run to Walmart and get us some gloves.
From 4-inch to 3-inch, back to 4-inch. Bottleneck. Excelente.
And the concrete.
Nothing some duct tape won't fix. Supposedly a master plumber did this. Here's what we found inside of the backward pitch pipe. And there, this beauty.
Look at that beauty. It's like watching Ghost when he had him from behind. He was on the clay table. You know what I'm talking about? Can I tell her to turn the tub on and flush one time?